Hey guys, here's just a quick video showing the radio replacement we did in a 2015 F150 with the factory 8-inch screen and the Sony amplified system. We used the Maestro Rr radio replacement module and the MFT1 8-inch adapter kit. This kit's really cool because it allows you to retain the factory bezel versus other kits that have their own aftermarket bezel with a separate screen for climate controls. So we'll start with those climate controls. As you can see, there's an automatic interrupt service. So just like the factory screen, as soon as any climate control is changed, it instantly appears up here on the aftermarket screen, and it works vice versa. If we change anything on the aftermarket screen, it updates down there on the physical buttons on the bezel. If we go over to our audio, our factory media button here works. That cycles through all of our sources. Our factory volume knob works. All of our OEM factory steering wheel controls work, our volume, our phone functions, our skip. Our factory backup camera and parking sensors are all integrated into the screen itself. iData give you this OEM style media hub that replaces the media hub that is there from Ford. It gives you a HDMI input, a single aux in, and dual USB. This is really awesome because it'll also give us our vehicle diagnostics. So we can go to our vehicle info, see our tire pressure, our battery voltage. If there's a check engine light, that'll light up and you can go in and actually view the codes and delete the codes. We can go and check out our gauges, see our RPMs, our fuel percentage, our intake temperature, our speed. Overall, really awesome kit. Would highly recommend and